In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to add FAQs in Richpanel so your customers can find answers on their own and your support team can save time. First, log into your Richpanel dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the self-service section and open the knowledge base. This is where all your frequently asked questions content is created and managed. Inside the knowledge base, you'll see different topic sections, usually things like order topics and general topics. You can rename these topics if needed so they better match your brand or customer needs. Keeping topics clear and organized makes it much easier for customers to find the right answers. Now, open a topic where you want to add FAQs. For example, under order-related topics, you can create articles like how to track my order, how to cancel an order, or delivery delay information. For general topics, you might add FAQs such as how to reset my password, accepted payment methods, or returns and refund policy. To add and frequently asked questions, create a new article, give it a clear and simple title, and then write the answer in the content section. Keep the explanation easy to understand step by step if needed. If Richpanel allows, you can also add images to make instructions clearer. Once done, save or publish the article so it goes live. Finally, make sure your knowledge base is enabled and visible in your customer portal or help widget. This ensures customers can easily access the FAQs without contacting support. That's it. By adding well-structured FAQs in Richpanel, you improve customer experience and reduce repetitive support tickets.